In this video, I'll show you how to check if your Telegram is hacked. Telegram lets you review active sessions, so you can see which devices are currently connected to your account and remove anything you don't recognize. First things first, open up Telegram. Head over to the top left corner, click on those 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu, and drop down into your settings. Once you're in the settings window, look for the option that says Privacy and Security and click it. Right near the top of that menu, you'll see a section labeled Active Sessions or Devices. Go ahead and click into that. Now you're looking at a complete list of every single device currently logged into your Telegram account. Scroll through it carefully and look at the operating systems, IP locations, and device names. If you spot a Windows PC, a Mac, or a web session that you don't recognize, or an old computer you don't use anymore, don't panic. Just click on that specific suspicious session and hit Terminate Session. Boom! They are instantly kicked off your account. If you want a totally clean slate, you can also hit Terminate All Other Sessions right at the bottom, which keeps only the device you're holding right now. And just like that, your Telegram is locked down tight. If this quick security walkthrough helped you out, hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any other privacy questions. See you in the next one.